We'll guide you through how to enable Siri on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Siri is a really cool feature that iPhones have. Essentially, it's an assistant on your iPhone. With it, you'll be able to go and ask it questions like what the time is, but also you can ask it to do things like send a message, go and set a timer. I already like it, especially for when I'm driving. I can go and say, go and ring somebody or send a message to somebody that I'm on the way or that I'm nearly there. So we'll guide you through how you can set this up step by step. Make sure it is full guide. So to go and get started, what you need to do is go and find the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see just here, open it up. Next, you want to go and scroll down and you're looking for the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Come here. I think it's worth hitting on Apple Intelligence. We'll go and do that. Then what you want to do is go into Siri requests. So first of all, you can choose your language. Mine's already set correctly, English, United Kingdom. Then you can come back here and you can find Talk to Siri and you can tap there. So what we can then do is we can go and first of all, press the side button for Siri. So switch that on. This then goes and sends information like your voice input, context and location to Apple to process your request. That's fine. Then what we can do is go and set it up with our voice. So you can go and turn on Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So that's what you're going to be saying. So in this case, I'll go and do this top option. So now we can go and start the setup process. We need to go and basically teach Siri our voice. So it will help us recognize it. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now Siri is ready. As you can see, it says iPhone will listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. Once you are talking to Siri, you can go and add another request without saying its name again. So you can go and press done. So because the side button's enabled as well, what you can do is always go and hold down the side button like so. And now we're going to be using it. But also if I go and say, Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. You'll go and see the timer has now been set. And now it's going to go and begin. Of course, I'll go and stop that. I don't need it. But you go and get the idea. Alternatively, what you can do as well is you can go and not have the speaking mode and you can just go and have it so when you press and hold the power button, you can go and speak to it. So that's it. That is how you can go and enable Siri. It's one of my favorite features about the iPhone is the assistant because as I said, it's so convenient when you can't go and use your iPhone itself, you can still go and tell it to do things. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.